Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by marking the pocket location precisely on the blazer front. Do this with chalk and a ruler, 1/2 inch from the lapel edge if specified. Next, cut the outer pocket patch and matching facing, keeping a 0.5 cm seam allowance so pieces align perfectly. Once cut, transfer the stitch line and notch marks to both layers so you can match points later. These small alignment cues prevent puckering and ensure a clean pocket mouth as you sew. Now you assemble the pocket mouth and bag. Fold and press the facing under, then top stitch about 0.2 cm from the fold to stabilize the mouth. This creates a crisp edge that will hold shape. Understitch the facing to the pocket bag so the lining stays hidden inside. This prevents roll and keeps the blazer looking sharp. Once done, pin the pocket bag to the blazer front, matching notches and clipping curves so seams sit flat before final stitching. Finish by sewing the pocket bag into place with a 0.5 cm seam allowance, trimming corners and excess fabric to reduce bulk, then turn and press the pocket flat. Understitch where needed and add a final edge top stitch to lock the mouth down and give a professional look. If you encounter a gap or pocket bubbling, reinforce that stress point with a short bardack or a tiny hand stitch. This secures fabric without altering appearance and prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.